How's it going, everybody? Today I present you a 2005 Nissan Pathfinder Off-Road, one of our newest lot vehicles. And this is going to be a full tour, start it up, check the engine, check out a bunch of the details on the inside and the outside of the Pathfinder. Everything you just about want to see here. And this particular one has a remote start. I will demonstrate that later on in the video. So, let's get started. Let's see. 50,000 miles. Nice. Alright, we're going to cut on the hazards. Headlights, fog lights, automatic driver's side window. Yeah, let's check out the outside. Big tires on the Pathfinder. Alright, we'll go ahead and pop the hood. Alright, it's got the 4-liter V6 engine. Here's your battery for you. There's your engine. Very nice. Alright, let's check out the inside, shall we? Alright, let's see how she sounds. Very nice. It's got an automatic sunroof. And it closes by itself. I'll check out the climate control now. Very nice. Let's check out the radio now.
Tell you how you can.
Supposed to be for your DVD entertainment system in the back. It's a very nice Pathfinder. It's your four-wheel drive. Alright, we'll cut the car up and check out the rest. It's your power windows, power locks, automatic driver's side window. It's got the headrest, seats are leather, heated seats. Nice and comfortable in the back. It's got your DVD entertainment system. And this one has third row seats. You got a storage compartment back here. Correction, this is for where you keep your tire jack. But these seats do fold down for when you're moving. If you're going to a different place, you can fold the seats down. You can fit stuff in there. Alright, let's demonstrate the remote start. Push this button twice. Simple as that. Push it again to shut it off. Well guys, hope you all enjoyed this in-depth tour of the 2005 Nissan Pathfinder. There's plenty more where this cage came from, so stay tuned. Take care everybody.